Y'all remember that Chingy song featuring Tyrese? Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, me back. Yeah, that's how I feel about this product, so stay tuned. Why does Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker make me think of that old school Chingy Tyrese song? Well, one, because it's a dope song, but two, I really do feel like that about this product. It's not a bad product, it's a crazy good product actually. Why do I keep leaving? Because it's so dang expensive. I'm not trying to spend all my coinage on a gel when our beloved Eco costs $3-4 on a good day, okay? So that's why I keep leaving, but I always keep coming back because Curl Maker gives me the most elongation that I've ever seen out of any gel. It's almost too much elongation. I'd be like, girl, is we going straight today? Like, what is we doing? So yeah, that's what we're using for this week's wash and go. I'm going to pair it with the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In. And as a base, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Apogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. So if y'all saw in my video a couple videos ago about the Apogee products, I will link it in the description box. Make sure you check that out. I've just been looking for something to kind of keep my hair strong. So sometimes I use this as a base and a refresher, and it's been working very well. So I will be using a little bit of this. And I got a little schmancy with my spray bottle this morning. So it's half rose water, half regular water, and a few drops of tea tree, peppermint, and rosemary essential oils. So yeah, sometimes I just like to treat myself in my spray bottle, girl. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in what types of mixes that I do use in my spray bottle. And y'all have seen me set my hair 1,000,001 times at this point, so I will be back like... voila, magic. So I'm all done here. You can already see off rip that the elongation is crazy, and Camille, from my past experiences, isn't gonna shrink too much. So what you see is what you get. In terms of the other gels that I've used so far in this series, it's kind of right in the middle, and what I mean by that is it's not as heavy as the Alikay, but it's not as light as the Mielle. What I also mean by that is that it didn't clump as well as the Alikay, but it did, to me, clump a little bit better than the Mielle. Not the greatest clumpage in the world, but hey. The smell. It's got a citrus, grapefruit type smell, and as compared to the Mielle Organics gel, just because they look eerily similar. The consistency of this is way more of a gel versus for the Mielle, I feel like I said, it feels like honey. I'll also say that this Camille Rose product is kind of sticky, which I would think that the Mielle would be more sticky because it's got honey in it, but yeah, this is sticky. I will say Miss Camille keeps getting all my coins because the shine and the moisture from this curl maker is crazy. I've always gotten mad shine, mad moisture, and it's kind of weird, but your hair feels wet even when it's dry. But yeah, I'll see you, Miss Camille. T&T fam, I figured it out. I know why I keep leaving Camille Rose Curl Maker. It's simple. The hold is soft, super soft. Super duper, I think y'all get it. It's a soft hold. Now, if you've been following me for a minute, you know that my hair is already super fine, super soft. So off rip, my hair doesn't really hold any type of curl. So the fact that I'm putting this soft curl definer on there, yeah, it's a dub. So this is day 2 hair. I've already had to refresh, and it's raining outside. I already know this is going up in a puff tomorrow, if not sooner. And I just wanted to continue to push through and produce this video because some of y'all may be looking for a soft hold, and that's perfectly okay. This Camille Rose Curl Maker, especially paired with the Mielle White Peony Leave-In, gives you a good soft hold. I mean, let's be clear, ain't nothing wrong with a soft hold. Your girl just prefers a Saturday morning at a Southern beauty shop, press and curl under the dryer for 2-3 days. My hair still ain't dry, no, but when you come out them super duper crispy, gonna last you a good while curls, yeah, that's what I prefer. So that's why this just isn't my number one. Like I told y'all before, the elongation is crazy. I actually had to pin my hair in the front because my curls were hanging way down here. crazy elongation, crazy moisture, almost too much moisture. Like I told you guys, it would feel wet. It kind of looks wet, like voluminously wet-y. Yeah, that's why I keep going back and forth between Camille Rose, but I like to have variety in terms of what type of curls I want. So for example, I could do this, you know, a day two, wet, voluminous type, elongated look. It just really depends on what I'm going for. So it's good to have a lot of different things in your arsenal. I'm gonna cut this video short. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that someone can benefit from the soft hold of Curl Maker. Let me know in the comments if I'm the only one that gets a super soft hold from Curl Maker. Do y'all like it? Do y'all dislike it? It's definitely not my favorite, but it is a great quality gel. Now she could come up off the price a little bit, but you know, who am I? Anyway, make sure you watch, like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Please follow me on all my social media accounts at Teeth and Tendrils, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.